Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey RT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite and it looks great. Right up front here we do have the Dodge logo with that chrome accenting on the grille. We do have halogen quad headlamps right there with the fog lights hanging out just down there. And around the side here we do have 19-inch tires, or rims, sorry, with the Zena brand tires. They look great, still lots of tread left on them, and those chrome rims look really nice. You do have the heated exterior mirrors right here too, which will help you get going a little bit quicker in the mornings. Now coming around the back, we do have the Journey all-wheel drive logo, the RT logo, and the Dodge logo right there. And as long as it is unlocked, there it is, a handle right there, and you got your backup camera right there. Now back here there is room, and as well it's very soft, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You got an emergency flashlight here if you ever do need it. Then you can pull these guys and fold these down just like that, and then you got even more room. You can also open this guy up, and there is room, some storage just under there for whatever you might want to put in there. And then to lift these up, they have these handy little handles here. You just pull on them and they come right back up. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Remote start is very nice, especially in the winter. It'll get it nice and warm for you and you won't have to worry. So then also, if it's locked, it does have proximity keyless entry, so all you have to do is have the key on your person, put your hand in there and it will unlock for you, and then you got the button to lock it if you did want. And then on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, plus a handle here, some storage down here, and some chrome accenting right here. Over here we do have the controls over our lights, so we got our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights right there, and our in-cabin light control here. And then this guy here does control our high beams, as well as our turning signals, and our windshield wipers. We also have our electric seats just down here, so backward and forward, and the lumbar support right there. And then around the back of the steering wheel here, we do have a volume up and down as well. On the other side, there's an identical one for our channel. Okay, let's start up here. We have the keys in my pocket. Press the button, and we are good to go. Okay, in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there it does say our vehicle speed, but we can change that guy up. So we got our fuel economy here, you got your trip info, your tire KPA, vehicle info, messages. Then you can turn the menu off if it is too bright, and you can go into all those different options and take a look there. Then you also have that all controlled from right from your steering wheel, which is super nice, never have to take your hand off of the steering wheel. You have your voice recognition just up here, as well as your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Now you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with AM, FM, and Sirius XM, and you do have a media player just down here if you have something hooked up through a disc, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card, as well as your USB. You also got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then the same for the other side. And you got your outlet, you can turn that on, and you can turn the screen off. You also have a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat if you did want. Plus you can access your heated stuff there. You got your navigation. If you hit the where to, or if you hit the view map, sorry, you can see that we are on Rec Place. Always very handy to have. And you do have your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Now down here we do have our hazard lights, our AC, our circulation, front and rear defrost, and our traction control. Our volume up and down, plus you can turn it off. You got your heat up and down. Then this guy here is the off and the auto, plus how powerful it is. Then you got your tuner just over there, SD card slot and CD player. Then down here you got a bit of storage with a 12-volt plug-in, and you got your cup holders here. And this guy is your gear shift, as well as if you are in reverse, you got that ever handy backup camera. Then your armrest here does double as a storage container, just like that. And you do have lots of storage in there with a aux cord, a USB plug-in, and a plug-in over there as well. And then you got a locking glove box just down here as well. Very handy, especially if someone broke in, then they wouldn't get in there. You do also have your owner's manual just in there. And then up top here, we do have the control over our sunroof. We have a sunglass holder with a mirror, and you got your lights just there. Sunroof is very large. Looks very nice and lets in tons of light. Okay, let's jump in the back here. Now back here we do have that chrome accenting on the handle as well. You got the control of your windows here, handle here, and some more storage just down here. It is leather back here as well, and it is very soft and very nice. You do have this guy here, which doubles as an armrest and a cup holder if you didn't need all 7 people in here. You also have a 9-inch video screen just up there to watch movies or whatever, plus they do have control over their own climate there. You can plug in the game system or something just down here, and there is some plugins down there as well. Now you can also pull this guy here, and it will give you access to the back. You got some cup holders back here as well as the seats, and they're very soft as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.